Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get your Spotify wrapped image to share with your friends. I'm doing this on an Android phone, but the steps are pretty much the same on an iPhone. First, we need to make sure that our Spotify app is up to date. You can do so by typing Spotify in Google Play or Apple Store if you are on iPhone. Then load it up. You should see it right here. But if you don't see it, you can search for 2020 wrapped and you will find it here. Tap on this big banner and it will show you your Spotify 2020 stats. Alright, now some slides have a share the story option to allow you to share the image. For example, this second slide. If I tap on share the story, you will see down here, I can share that to my Instagram story. And then if you go to the end, you will see the image that's commonly shared. So let's do that. Let's close this out and go all the way to the end. And that's it. That is the image that you see that's commonly shared. I hope this is helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye!